Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to flat tow a GMC Canyon. Flat towing, also known as four-down towing, means all four wheels of your vehicle stay on the ground as it's pulled behind another. This method is popular for RV owners. We'll cover the essential steps to prepare your Canyon safely and correctly for this type of towing, ensuring a smooth journey. It's important to follow these guidelines carefully. First, you'll need the right equipment. A sturdy base plate must be installed on your Canyon, along with a compatible tow bar. These connect your truck to the towing vehicle. Next, attach safety cables as a backup and connect the electrical wiring harness. This ensures your Canyon's brake lights, turn signals, and running lights synchronize with the tow vehicle, which is critical for safety on the road. Now let's prepare the drivetrain. For automatic transmissions, shift the gear selector into neutral. The most critical step is to place the transfer case into its neutral position. This disengages the front and rear axles, preventing damage during towing. Consult your owner's manual for the exact procedure, as it can vary slightly. Finally, turn the ignition key to the accessory position to unlock the steering wheel. Before you hit the road, perform a thorough final check. Double-check that the tow bar, safety cables, and electrical connections are all securely fastened. Confirm the steering wheel is unlocked and can move freely. Drive a short distance at a slow speed, then stop and recheck everything. This ensures your GMC Canyon is properly prepared for flat towing, giving you peace of mind for your travels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.